Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Recycling balers and compactors, all you need to know in 2023. Recycling balers and compactors is a great way to compact waste. These machines reduce the landfill's waste by reducing the void space in your bins, which in turn saves space and money and is better for the environment. These machines have automatic or manual feeding options and can be used in various applications. Compactors reduce trash volume and the number of pickups, reduce the amount of space needed in landfills, reduce odor and vermin, and save money on hauling. Balers can also help reduce labor costs by allowing businesses to reuse, recycle, and sell the materials they bale. Compactors and balers are useful waste management tools because they help businesses and communities reduce their carbon footprint. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.